In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the Valance panel on this Ram 1500. Let's get into it. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to remove the screws on the corners. Take those out. There's push pins holding this on. I'm just going to use a trim tool. Just get on top. Just pry that up. Just like that. Pull this down. Pry that down. Do the same on the rest of them. All right, there we go. Those are all loose, and it comes right down. Now you want to transfer the J-clips over. Just take a straight blade screwdriver underneath, and it slides right off. Go to the new one, slide it right in place. Do the same on the other side. Start with the bolts on the two sides. Get those started. Just to hold it up there. We'll do the same on the other side. All right, that's started. We're just going to hold this in place. Push the panel up. Push the push pin down. Once that's down, push the top in. You might need a little hammer just to give the panel give the push pin a tap. Just like that. And just do the same with the other ones. Push it in, tap it down. Then take your 10mm socket, tighten those bolts down on the corners, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.